Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. Guys, this is so crazy what happened earlier. I got red on the very first daily discount pull, and even without the daily discount, just the first pull. My goodness, I am so happy, but we hopefully can get him to sync move level 5 or something. Anyway, sync pair stories. I know a lot of you are curious because Red doesn't talk. So this is sync pair stories Sygna Suit Red, a day with Sygna Suit Red. Enjoy, guys. I'll try to, depends on how this happens. 2 runs. First run, first option. Second run, second option.
You're on fire.
Seriously? That's awesome! Maybe others talk for Red. I see.
All right. Huh? I see.
Maybe they understand each other without words? Okay. Oh, he spoke. He spoke.
Huh? What?
Yeah.
All right. I'm blazing now.
Okay, he really doesn't talk except words are unnecessary. Okay, we'll do a second run. We'll choose the second option. And here we go, guys. Why did the game go back to start? Anyway, I think we get some There you go, guys. Temporary storage. We get 100 sync orbs for Sygna Suit Red and Charizard because we claimed him once. If you can read that, we go back to the no, it's not here. We go back to shop. We go back to Sync Pair Scout. And as you can see on the top left, present details, we get Charizard Sync Orbs upon teaming up for the first time. We get up to 500. So every time you get Charizard or you get Sygna Suit Red and Charizard, you get them. Again, guys, it's in the temporary storage. Be sure to claim them. Let's claim them. And with that said, go back, Sync Pair Stories, Sygna Suit Red. We'll choose the second option this time. Enjoy watching, guys.
You're on fire.
No way! Are you serious? You too?
All right. Huh? I see.
Maybe Charizard is calling the shots? Words are unnecessary. I really want to hear his voice though. Oh, there's one way to do that, guys. There is one way to do that. Meh.
Way cool. I'm blazing now.
And that's it, guys. That was Syncpier Stories Sygna Suit Red. I am very curious as to what Red sounds like, aside from his sound effects. So let's go here, guys. Dex. And filter by move, I think fire. And Sygna, wait. 5-star. Sygna Suit Red should be here. We tap on red. Okay. Sound effects. But anyway, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. Rawr.